Although modest in size, this small 3-bedroom bungalow is fully featured with all the essential amenities needed in much larger homes. The building primarily consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The building has an area of 162.7 square meters with an estimated construction budget of $48,810. The building is positioned rightly on a land of size 24 by 21 meters with an area of 504 square meters. The design comes along with all the basic essential amenities needed in a home. These are 3 outdoor spaces, namely the front terrace, carport and a kitchen terrace. The living and dining spaces are beautifully merged together. A stunning kitchen that suits its purpose. There are 3 bedrooms, master bedroom which is a suite and 2 other bedrooms. There are 2 washrooms, and then a corridor for circulation. Walkthrough, living and dining. Walkthrough, kitchen. Walkthrough, master bedroom. Walkthrough. Master bathroom. An aerial shot of the other bedrooms with their washroom. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment.